In today's video, we are making this akona simple garden egg stew. But before we start with it, let's remind ourselves last week we made the simple fried rice recipe. A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Kesh. In this large pot, I'm going to melt some palm oil and then fry about 2 pieces of onions in it. Once it is fried, I take them out and throw them away. This is to release any unpleasant scent in the palm oil. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to fry some momoni to give the stew some flavor and some aroma. This step is totally optional, or you can use Kobe. So after a few minutes, I'm going to fry the onions together with the momoni. So as I said, I'll fry the onions together with the momoni for about 2 minutes on a medium heat. Alright, the next thing to go in is some chopped tomatoes. I'll give it a very good stir, making sure that it is well dispersed, and then come in with some chopped pepper and give it a very good stir. So the peppers, if you don't want it chopped, you can blend it or grind it. Now add in the garden eggs, give it a very good mix. The garden eggs have been washed and cut into the cube sizes. You can actually cut them into any desirable sizes of your choice. And I'll add in a little bit of water. This will help cook the garden eggs and also the tomatoes very well. I add a little bit of salt, cover it for about 5 minutes. Check the stew, give it a good stir, and once again cover it till the water is evaporated from the stew. Once the water is evaporated from the stew, I will start building in some flavors by adding in my spice mix. You can use any spices that you desire. Now at this point, I'm not going to be adding in any more spices or seasoning cube because the spice mix is already loaded. I will cover it for about 5 minutes to simmer. So this is after 5 minutes and the stew is already stewing. There is this other garden egg stew recipe I posted on Facebook and people loved it. So if you're not following me on Facebook, then you're really missing out. At that point, I add in my protein. I'm using some smoked catfish, Wale, that is pomo, and some smoked mackerel fish. I give it a very good stir. And at this stage, I am going to cover it, allow it to simmer on the medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then add in some fresh black pepper, add in some shrimps. I've already washed it neatly. Give it a very good stir. So as we are stirring the stew, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like and share it out there. So I tasted for the salt. It was not enough. I add in a little bit of it. Give it a very good stir, making sure that all the salt is well dispersed. And then I'm going to cover it and leave it on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. And yummies, this is the stew after 5 minutes. Tasted absolutely delicious and very quick and easy to make. Let's make ice cream in my next video. Until then, always remember to do everything in love. Choose.